During Hurricane Harvey, I made the decision to stay in town. So every day I sent an email back to all of the John Deere folks that were asking about what was going on, what I was seeing, what I was hearing, pictures that we had gotten. It was very hard to assess what was happening at the dealerships because for the most part none of us could get to any of them.
So at John Deere, within 24 hours of a disaster, we have a team that connects with our dealerships in the region or in the area that's been impacted.
In the case of John Deere Financial, our first reaction was, let's reach out and make sure we can talk to them about how are they doing, were they impacted, do they need help?
A lot of our customers were severely impacted. They didn't even know where to start. They had just started thinking about their homes, and then they had to start thinking about their equipment and what was going to happen next. We heard a lot of positive responses from customers that they were so grateful that they were able to get that kind of help from John Deere.